It looks like there's a new version of Rough Animator out today, and it's got some bug fixes. So I'm going to see if it fixes some bugs I had in version 2.05 in today's episode of the Expat Animator. So let's go ahead and launch Rough Animator, and you'll see right away I get a software update panel that says Rough Animator 2.07 is now available, and I have 2.05. So the three things that it's saying in the release notes are that it remembers the last active layer or frame in the project when it's reopened. And the number sliders should be a little easier to slide now, and minor bug fixes. And I'm actually a little bit interested in the bug fixes, but I do notice that the number sliders weren't sliding exactly where I wanted them to. So let me look at these two real quick here before we do our update. So let me just remind me later. I'm going to open a new project real quick here. And the number sliders, let's see, if I grab right on the line, see, it's not letting me. But if I grab anywhere within here, I can grab and slide. But ideally, I would like to grab right on the line. So now it's letting me do it. But I think as I get closer to the arrow here, it won't let me grab right on the line. See, it's not letting me grab it. I have to kind of move over into the white and then slide. So maybe that's going to get fixed. The other thing that I had found a bug last time in was if I hit About Rough Animator, and if I do that twice, the second time it would crash the program. So in 2.05, this is still an issue for me. So there's one open. If I open it again, it's going to crash. And there it goes. So let's update Rough Animator and see if that crash goes away. So let's relaunch it. It should give me the dialog to update, but I'm not seeing it. So let's just check for updates. And there it is. So let's go ahead and install this. So it's going to get me up to 2.07. Looks like it's 10 megabytes. And let's go ahead and relaunch it. Okay, let's hit a new project here. And what I want to do, let's check if this bug got fixed. So we'll hit About Rough Animator, and we can see that we're now at 2.07. And here's the big test. Let's try it again for the second time here. And it did not crash. So that's cool. He actually fixed that issue. So let's just try it for a third time out of curiosity. Cool. So that definitely got fixed in this version. And let's try the sliders real quick here. If I come over all the way to the right here, I can't grab. I need to grab somewhere in the white to get going. But then I can grab right on top here. And let's see. Now that it's, oh, there we go. Now that it was right under the arrow, before I couldn't grab it, I would have to come over here and grab. But now I can grab right on the line. So the number sliders do look like they got fixed as well. So, these are small fixes, but, it's nice to see that Rough Animator is getting updated on a very regular schedule, which is what you want to see with your softwares, is you want to see that the developers are making progress and fixing bugs and making things better. So that's all I really wanted to show today, was just the new version of Rough Animator 2.07 and the bug fixes that were fixed from the last version of 2.05 that I was running. My name is Patrick Davidson, the Expat Animator. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.